Today, guys, we are eating the world's spiciest chocolate. It looks friendly, but inside the pit, so it's so it's so spicy, bro. Let's take a bite, bro.
Ba't di mo tinanong paano gumawa ng himala, magpagaling na may sakit? Hindi. Gusto ko matuto mag-pray. Kasi lahat ng nangyayari niya, nakaugat sa kanyang panalangin. Kasi sabi niya, when you pray, when you pray, say, Father, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come. Now, itong madsang bagay, nung sinasabi niya ito, pangalawang ulit na natin natin, kasi sa Sermon on the Mount, tinuro niya na ito eh. So, pakinggan natin yung kasi mas expounded sa Sermon on the Mount kaysa dito. Kasi mabilisan ang kanyang discussion dito. Let's go to Matthew chapter 6, the Sermon on the Mount. Pray then in this way. Naintindihan mo? Ganito yung pattern. Para if you want to unleash God's power, prayer, pray then in this way. Ganito kayo manalangin. This sabi, ito yung panalangin nyo, ganito kayo manalangin. Paano? Our Father, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as in heaven. Mabilisan muna, mami ako babalikan. Tapos sabi niya, give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our debts as we also have forgiven our debtors. Do not lead us into temptation but deliver us from evil. For yours is the power and the glory forever. Amen. Now, ano na pansin ko sa prayer? Hati sa dalawa. Yung first part, focusing on God. Then on the second part, focusing on our needs. Okay na? Kapag hindi na malimutan, dahil may ginawa ng pasipitan. Kasi ang ganda eh, nakatulong talaga eh. Sabi na, focus on God, then focus on our needs. Okay na? Okay? Okay, sabi na. Focus on God, focus on our needs. Okay? Ito kasi, meron sabi sa akin, ito po ako sabi na, when you give, you give portion. So, just remind yourself, a little later, focus on God. Look at this. Isa-isa natin. What does it mean? So let's look at focus on God. If you unleash God's power, wait, sabay-sabay. Focus on God. Amen? Focus on God. That's yung power ng Diyos i-unleash. Focus on God. So yan ang napaka-importante. That's how we unleash God's power. You